Hi there, this is Tanya Sutherland. Today we're going to be talking about how you combine two patterns together to create one. So it's taking a bodice from one pattern and a skirt from another and creating a dress. So I've got some pictures on the video to show you the final look. So you can also take just about any bustier bodice. I'll just show you two other examples. I didn't use these two patterns. The ones that I have used, I've listed it onto this video. So here is one of my favorite women called is Mimi G. She's absolutely amazing. So this is one of her little bodices, and then I've taken a skirt from this pattern here, and I've literally combined the two together, and I've created this dress that I have got on now. So I'll just get up and show you. Okay. So what I did was I took the bodice and I put a seam down the center front, and I've kept the bust contour panels, and then I left the dots in the skirt. And then what I did was on the side of the skirt I created pocket openings to put the red in, and at the back side panels I put the red piping in as well. So I made the red piping because I wanted to match the pockets. So I just took the red material, cut it on the bias, about a 4 centimeter strip, took an old bias binding and just wrapped it over it, used my bias binding foot, and just stitched them into the seams because I couldn't find this particular red that I wanted, so I did it myself. And on the inside I have used a red lining just to carry it through, and then I put loops for bra straps in the jacket, in the bodice itself. Sorry, I'm thinking of my jacket next to me. So that was just taking two patterns and creating one just by making a piping to go into it, and then to add the pockets. So here you can see I made the pocket for the under part. Okay, so that is your side seam, and of course this is the opening of the pocket which is on the actual skirt, and then here is the under, well, this will be the top part of the lining, of your pocket, and that is the under part. So this will get stitched in like this, and there's the facing. Okay, so in other words, the facing is going to be stitched along like that, and going to be tucked in underneath like that, so you won't see any red on the top coming out here. And this gets stitched down. It will join. So there's the cut line. Okay, so this will get joined together. That's your pocket, and that is your opening, and there's the facing, and that gets stitched onto the pocket like that. So there is your opening of your pocket, and here is a little diagram. When you want a new design, it's looking at the patterns that you already have to create new looks. Especially if you are sewing for yourself, or you are sewing for a business, it's your own business and you're making clothes for clients, you need to look at what patterns you have got, or what patterns you can make from what you do have. Or if you know how to draft patterns, you still got to understand how to use the basic bodice and then a skirt and to create a dress. But if you have already made commercial patterns and you've got quite a few variety of patterns, you can combine patterns together to create new designs for yourself. It's all about just playing around and experimenting. Like with this dress behind me, what I did here was I also put the little black pockets in, the little flap pockets in as well. I put the cut line here, and I put the pockets, and I put a belt loop. Also changed the design to what it was originally. So have fun. Anyway, so this is Tanya Sutherland. If you like what I'm showing you and sharing with you, please share it with others too, and give me a thumbs up. I'd really, really appreciate it. And if you do like it so much, then please press the subscribe button. I am doing weekly videos, so it's all about sewing for yourself, creating your own style, developing and designing and planning your own ready-to-wear wardrobe, rocking your own style, if that's for personal sewing, as well as sewing for a business, turning your designing, your sewing skills into an entrepreneurship, creating and generating your own income through doing something that you absolutely love in fashion. Until next time, this is Tanya Sutherland.